2014 Prism Perennial Draft Picks by Panini. This is break number 2. Good luck, everybody. Alright, we got the World Series just started too. I'm missing that, but I'll be getting this done shortly. Just to watch the end of it. Maybe we'll get a Michael Conforto auto since they're in the World Series. That would be good. Yeah, Oakland got a card, Brad. You got the Kyle Mack redemption card. Rookie redemption card, copper parallel, numbered to 99. Very nice hit. You got till I think 2017 to redeem it. Very nice hit. All right, continue opening these up. Alright, the Green Bay Broncos game just started. I know the World Series is on its way. Let's see if the Mets can pull one out here, bring it to back to KC. KC, man, with all those singles. They're amazing. I'm going to drop that down there. I see some autos in there. Okay, let's start this. Adrian Rodon, Loher, little Luke Weaver, Holmes, little Michael Cedroth, looks like a refractor. Oh, here's a refractor. Gilbert Lara, Garcia, little Derek Fisher, Davidson, little Braxton Davidson, back-to-back. One's a refractor right there. These are not numbered refractors. Mark Payton, little Colmore, Graves, Lane Thomas. And our first numbered card goes to Tampa Bay. Gassy Gillespie, purple. Numbered 122 out of 149. Congratulations, Tampa Bay Rays. Give me 1 second, I gotta get some more top loaders. Alright, that was a little Casey Gillespie, Tampa Bay Rays, numbered 122 out of 149. Congratulations, Tampa Bay Rays. Alright, let's keep going. Luis Cervino and Ryan O'Hearn. Okay. Alright, we got our first auto coming up. Castillon Stinnett, Jose Pujols. Okay, I believe it's our first auto. Going to the San Diego Padres, Nick Torres. Let's see if that's an auto. It is. San Diego Padres getting a Nick Torres auto. not numbered. These are on-card autos too, which makes it nice. Alright, congratulations, Padres. Alright, move that up here. Okay, we got a little Supak, Finnegan, Harrison. Next numbered card goes the Cleveland Indians, Bradley Zimmer. We got numbered to 199. 141 out of 199. Alright. Congratulations, Cleveland Indians. Alright. We got a little Corey Ray, Ferguson, Zagunis, and Sands. Alright. Next number card goes to Chicago. I believe it's Chicago Cubs. He's wearing blue. But with the New York clubs, they're wearing all kinds of colors. But it's Cubs or White Sox. Carlos Sands, numbered 8 out of 60. Congratulations to the Chicago Cubs. But I'm going to clarify that right now. So, it's numbered 8 out of 60. Very nice. See, he's got some good stats. 1.889 ERA, 3-1. Okay, I'm not sure if that's probably AAA, single A. Nice card though. Alright, while we confirm that, let's keep going. Yeah, Carlone Sands, definitely. So the Carson Sands. Numbered 8 out of 60. That's going to Chicago Cubs. Congratulations, Cubs. Alright, let's keep going. Little birdie for Minnesota Twins, Riley, Griffin, Griner. Alright. Ah, you kidding me. San Diego's going to be happy. Trey Turner, 48 out of 75. I'm guessing an auto going to San Diego Padres, and it is. Nice blue refractor auto, on-card auto, number to 75. Not bad. Alright, little Trey Turner, numbered 48 out of 75. There we go. Alright, we still got one auto left. Okay, Max George, little Gettys, Foley, little Kyle Scherber. Gold insert, not autoed. Still a nice card. Okay, we got some Milton Ramos, Wilson, Garcia, Cosino, Ellis, Stokes, Peter, Kolek, Steele, and Montgomery. And Nelson Gomes. Alright, last stack, last auto. Throw it on the bottom. We got another Aqua coming up. Sushi, Keller, Reed, Brown. Kidding me. Everything's going to San Diego. Austin Bosfield going to San Diego Padres. Should be numbered to 199. And it is. 109 to 199. Right there. Congratulations, San Diego Padres. 3 hits. Alright, let's finish this off. Derek Campbell, little John Ritchie. Okay, auto will be last. Hopefully it's not for the San Diego Padres unless you bid on San Diego. Kelvin McCoy, Kolek Pompey. Alright, going to San Diego. I mean, just a joke. Seattle Mariners, Gareth Morgan. Auto, numbered 128 out of 199. Congratulations, Seattle Mariners. Little aqua press proof there. Gareth Morgan, going to Seattle Mariners. Alright, that's our last auto, our last card. Okay, little recap. We had little Gareth Morgan, press proof auto, numbered 128 out of 199, going to Seattle Mariners. We had a little Nick Torres going to San Diego Padres, not numbered. We had a little Tampa Bay Gillespie, numbered 122 out of 149. Also San Diego, numbered 109 out of 199. That's Austin Bosfield. Chicago Cubs, Carson Sands, numbered to 60. That's 8 out of 60. Nice low number. Going to Cleveland Indians, Bradley Zimmer. We got a little numbered at a 141 out of 199. And last auto was going also San Diego Padres. Trey Turner, numbered to 75. And that was 48 out of 75. Congratulations, Padres. Great break for the Padres. Alright, next up, moving to 2014 Panini Extra Edition.